Hello dears, welcome to this Android task-based learning with Java inside the Android Studio 4.0. So deal with the skill. In this task we are going to deal with the spinner, dependent spinner and listeners of spinners. So task to perform or task to do, it is two spinners are there. One is for roll number and another is for name. So relevant name should be selected on selection of roll number spinner and relevant roll number should be selected on selection of name spinner. Means many times this thing is very useful when country code and country name is there, and some are making invisible for the country code, and on the basis of country name they are get the values from the country code. So that types of thing is very useful. It is totally depend upon using view binding new technique. So what you have to do, just you will see in this video. If someone is selecting third name, then third roll number is there. Someone is selecting four, then fourth name is there, and as per the ongoing approach. So it is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and total 7 roll number is there and total 7 name according to this chronological manner. It is here. So let's do. It is very easy task. I think you can do it, but someone we can say it is a logical part. It is connected with this practical. So it is very useful practical to boost up our knowledge of Android programming technique. So pause the video, play after the completion of this task. Welcome again, and I think you have completed your task, and now onwards we are going to resolve that matters or resolve that task whatever we have given to you. So as per the Android guideline, update your studio to Android Studio 4.0, and we are going to use view binding. So it is to replaces the find view by id, and activity main binding will be the name of class name if the activity underscore main.xml is file name of layout. So let's start Android task based learning with Java inside Android Studio 4.0. So go to empty activity with new project and write the code for the inside build.gradle file module level view binding enable equals to true. Make sure your internet connection is on. Then take two text views and two spinners inside the constraint layout. So constraint layout, little bit you have knowledge regarding the constraint layout, how to set this particular screen. We are going to perform with this one with the customized spinner. Means customized layout we are going to set inside the spinner. So again it is a dependent spinner and customized spinner. Both of the things are relevant to this matter or to this task, and do the coding inside main activity. So let's start and going to perform this practical. So go to file and new, then new project, go with the empty activity, click on next, give the name whatever you want to give, like this demo underscore task based learning system TBL. It's based on Java, so you can give 004 and whatever the name of practical you can cite that. Okay, click on finish. All the stuffs are ready to develop the code. So make sure your internet connection is on, and I am writing view binding capabilities code enable equals to true. Okay, make sure your internet connection is on. After the process of syncing process will be finished, particular project is capable to add the capabilities of view binding. Means we do not have to write find view by id for all each and every components. So yes, the particular thing is ready with view binding capabilities. Just I write one view binding code for that to set all the view binding capabilities. Activity main binding, whatever the name you want to give. Initialize that variable binding over here before the super set content view. Binding equals to activity main binding dot inflat get layout inflator. Only two lines of code. After the two lines we do not have to write find view by IDs for each and every component. So binding dot get root. Okay, so our capabilities are added to for the view binding, and we are going to design the screen. So what we are going to first, we are going to design the padding side 10 dp, and after that text view is here. Just I give the name for text view, id equals to tv underscore roll number. Then I want to make the width will be 180 dp because I want to make it side by side. So, and text will be roll number. Okay. Then height is wrap content, it is okay. Again, I want some text color is there. First you write any color, likewise FFF, whatever color you want to write. On the left side panel, just click and fetch from the whatever the palette you have given. So text is ready, and text size, okay, I want to make it 30 sp. So all the things are ready, but I don't want on the bottom to bottom off, and don't want right to right off. Okay, one spinner on the left side and another spinner on the right side, and above that two text views are there. So just I type margin top 20 dp. Okay, so just check it out, roll number is here. Okay, and we are going to make with the spinner side also. Just I copy this component and paste it and make it by this way with the basic knowledge of coding or designing purpose. SP and roll number is here. So width and height are ready. I don't want text color and text size and all those things because we are going to perform with the custom layout. So not top to top of, we have to write top to bottom of, then we write TV roll number. So one spinner you can see on the right side, on the left side, and just I copy this one and paste it both the things. So one thing, it is TV name. If you want to set the name, then text side inside the text to make it with the blue color and make it blue, and SPN name is there. So it is inside the TV underscore name. So but it is not on the left to left of, it is on the right to right of parent. So once again I will set right to right of parent on this one also. So on the right to right of parent, and it is right to right of parent TV name. Okay, so the thing is ready with our desired screen layout. So after that we are going to perform our coding. Before the coding we start, we need to customize this one. So customize layout we want to make, go to layout, new file, then text view, then you can give the name, likewise it is for the roll number, then text view roll number, then okay, text view roll number, click on OK, and simply go to there and remove this constraint layout and go to by that way. Just make match parent, it is okay, again match parent, it is okay, and text size will be 30 sp, and make sure the text color of this one is for roll number. So again first you can make it anywhere, and roll number color is red for our side, so just I make it red. And another thing, text style will be bold. After that padding will be, I want to set with the 10 dp. Okay, it is for the roll number. Just simply I copy this one, Control C and Control V, and you can make it for the name also. Just we want to change to blue, none other thing is changing over here. So according to roll number is inside the red and name is inside the blue, so according to that it will be set it. So just we need to code only. So first we make two array list and two array adapter. So just I make array list of string type, just give the name array list roll number, then copy this one and paste it for the name, and two array adapter will be there. So array adapter of type string, give the name of array adapter or value array adapter underscore roll number. Just copy this one and paste it with the name. So we are going to perform with the load data. So public void load data method to load all the data whatever we are want to make inside this one. So inside the spinner. So first step is initialize the roll number with new array list and add the roll number accordingly. So array list roll number dot add method is there. So 1 and control C. We are going to perform with for the 7 times. So okay, so just I change 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, 6 and 7. So what next we not need to do? One more technique I'm going to learn, or I'm going to display over here. Just I copy this one and paste it and control R, press control R to replace the roll number by name. So just simply replace all, then okay, all the things are ready with the coding. So just I type one name for A, this one is from B, this C, D, E, F and G. Okay, the next name I want to type BRIDA and Krita, Dolly should be there. Okay, again what name? Okay, and Fanny Gargi is there. Okay, so just we need to type array adapter of roll number. So equals to new array adapter get application context. Second, it is customize layout r dot layout dot or roll number. Customize layout is here. So roll number and again array list of roll number. Okay. After that, just set binding dot whatever the roll number spinner is there and set adapter. Okay. Just type array adapter roll number. So copy paste control C and control V. Again we want to set it for the name. So name is here again at the last end. It's a and we have performed or we have already built one text view for the name purpose. So which is blue. So and I set binding dot name dot set adapter array adapter name. So just we need to first load this method or call this method on the on create and just we write two logical part. So it is the basic core logic for this one binding dot spinner roll number dot set on item selected listener is there. There is no click listener item click listener item selected listener and then just I type. So on item selected parent view position and ID. So position is important for this one for our practical or this task. Just I type binding dot if you are going to set spinner roll numbers listener, then over here we are writing spinner for the name and there is a set selection is method. The core particularly this task is based to understand these one set selection and set on item select set on item selected listener. So just I copy this one control C and vice versa means we need to set the listener for the name and spinner roll number is there. Okay, so I think that all the things are setted. So just I press shift F10 and try to looking for the another one. So you can set accordingly. First step is don't forget to initialize the array list and this is custom, so don't forget to write this one and after that particular method load data you have to call after set on content view and to type or to write the listener of two spinners. So let's see. Yes, roll number and name is there. So see first A B C D E F G means 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So if we set 1 and 2 over here, then C then 4 over here means it will be loaded with the D dolly is there. If E, then 5 is there, and 6. Very good. So and 7. Okay, so very nice practical. Many times I see that inside the development someone are making certain fields are invisible and they are fetching the values accordingly set from the another spinner or another selection based values. So it is very important practical. Many times we can use that types of practical, but it is only for the boosting the task or whatever the knowledge you have regarding the spinner, and just simple exercise to boost our skill for the Android development. So completed Android task based learning with Java. It's a typical or dependent spinner, but different types of dependent spinner we can say, and set on item selected listener and dependent spinners. So thanks for watching. Like it, share it, subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.